Okay, everyone, let's start with a question. Have you ever heard your parents or grandparents say this? Now chicken, duck and fish, cattle, sheep, eggs, milk, etc. are far inferior to the past. It's delicious, but it's all real in the past. Now it's getting worse and worse. When I was a child, I was physically and mentally unmoved by such arguments. When you grow up, you will understand some of the basics of psychology or science. After knowledge, you will know that people's memories and feelings are the most unreliable things. People are based on material scarcity, and the good left by the years. A good impression of scarce things will go over time, constantly strengthened, even indestructible. So I became immune to such arguments. Is there such a phenomenon in that circle? I think it is also a part of existence. Players will remember based on their feelings. Even draw conclusions about the personal likes and dislikes of a brand. For example, the pig's nose on the 3rd anniversary. I bought it to have a brand new unopened stainless steel pig nose. This is my dream since I entered the circle. After getting it, I also took an unboxing video. Thought it was as expected. I am also very satisfied with the feel, but to this day, there has been such a rumor circulating in the circle. That is, the feel of the 3-year pig nose is far inferior to that of the old pig. The nose is far from the original stainless steel pig nose and Planet Pig. Can be summarized briefly. It was the video that Lux posted on July 15th last year. The previous production was all old cast noses, all of which were WYDS cast noses. After the video, after a large number of our newcomers entered the circle, the pig's nose is all gone. The pig nose in the past year or so has not been smooth sailing, mainly because of the material of ceramics. The first generation of ceramic beads has many flaws in the nose. The second generation of ceramic bead noses in the first batch. The bead groove gap is poorly controlled, resulting in a brittle and unelastic feel. But the metal CNC is not just the 3rd anniversary of the steel bead nose. Logically, I can't think of why I would have a nose with the old one. There is a big difference. I don't have a time machine. The food of the fathers back then could not be compared with the present. But the toy is knotted iron. I can't go back in time though, but the toy itself can cross time. Last week, I saw an original star bead in salted fish, and I immediately took it. I am going to make a practical comparison for you. And 2 days ago, playing ceramics, pearl coins and bead rings have doubled my affection for ceramic materials. So I went to salted fish to get a brand new batch of green koji. Ceramic beads can also be compared together. Let's take a look at the main event first. The comparison of the old Planet beads and the 3rd anniversary ballpoint pen. Because I couldn't help but demolish it yesterday, I can give a conclusion first. I originally thought that even if there was no difference in the feel of the two, but there should also be a little difference in style details. The result is really exactly the same feel. I used to wonder if it was a stronger magnet. Will the old pig nose be a little softer and more elastic? Is the old pig nose a little more mahjong body? No, it's completely identical. Okay, if you're here for the conclusion, this video is over. But if you have more interest in pig noses, then you can follow me and take another look. The latest batch of ceramic pigs unboxing experience and comparison. According to Zhu Liren Lao Yang himself, the latest batch of ceramic beads, this gap control is already very accurate, so it doesn't need to be replaced with 4.1mm PUM beads. If you can realize the Q-Bullet published ceramic beads of the original pig's nose, this gap is almost invisible, so it can't be Q-bombed. Let's take a look at the internal lack of meat. The latest batch really doesn't show any flaws in the meat. It's just that the hogweed is a little dirty. I'll clean it up later. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you are interested in my video, welcome to C Sanlian Plus Attention. Follow up VDC Circle New Toys. Good toys. I will also do it in the form of videos. I will share it with you as soon as possible. See you in the next issue.